everyone, my name is Amelia and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the subscriptions. So when you're there, you click on WDT Library homepage, and over here on the right hand side, click on Search Online Subscriptions. We have a long list here that you can choose from. We have things like Abesco and ProQuest and SIRS. ProQuest is the one that I use most often. I find it to be my favorite. When you first get on here, this is the basic search. So you can do a basic search of something, which I will show you how that works. So you type in whatever you're looking for. I'm just going to use nursing as an example. And then this is going to be all of your sources. So all these different things that you can use. Now, when you are using the basic search, you can still do an advanced search. You can narrow your results. There's different things that you can click here, like you can do the, if you want it to be full text or the citation, abstract, and indexing, whatever you need it to be. And then scholarly journals, trade journals, newspapers, you can choose what you want the source to be. I'm going to click on scholarly journals. And then you can do the publication date if you need it to be an exact time. You can do that. And you can go through there and do all of that. But so you can still have a very narrow result, even if you are doing a basic search. If you're doing an advanced search, this is easier. You come on to here and just do everything on one page and you don't have to go back and forth. So when you come onto the advanced search, this again is the same bar where you put in your topic, whatever you want to learn about. So we're still going to use nursing. Over here is where it's going to find that word in. If it's going to find it in the abstract, in the author, the document text, the title, wherever it's going to find it in. That is, if you don't want it to find it in a specific place, you can put that in there. These are different items pertaining to your topic. So you can do and, so if you want other things in there, you can put that in there. But the cool thing is you can also do not. So if you don't want something in there, if there's one thing that you keep finding that you don't need, you can click not and then put whatever that may be in. The publication date, once again, is really great. You can do a specific time, because usually when you are writing a paper, you need to have up-to-date times. So you can do one that they've already selected for you, or you could do a specific time. Now you can stop there and just click search, or you can keep on going. So over here is the different types that you can have. So you can have a specific source type, like scholarly journals, papers, newspapers, magazines, books, videos, podcasts, things like that. And then you can also have what type of document it's going to be. So there's tons of cool things in here. Fiction, essay, editorial, tons and tons of different things. If there's a specific thing that you want, if you want a video, you can do videos. You can do lots and lots of different things. I mean, they've even got obituaries and poems, so you can really get down to what you want on here. And then the language. So then you just click search and it will bring you back to this page again. Now, once again, you can do more stuff over here. You can say what you want it to be, narrow your results. So this, when you come to an item that you might want to use, you can click the abstract/details and get the abstract. so then you can see if it is going to work for you or not, because some things aren't going to work for you, so it's nice to have an abstract so you don't have to go through and read the entire paper before you realize it's not what you want. You can do full text. So full text is going to have the entire text, so it's going to be all through there. And if you want highlighting everywhere it found the word, then it's going to be right there. But you don't have to have that on there. You can click hide highlighting. Also, you can click on full text PDF. So this is going to be wherever it was found from. So this is a journal. So it's going to be the actual journal. And you can just go through there and you can scroll through. And there's going to be, you know, page numbers and whatnot, the volume, all of that. So you can, if you want specific page numbers, you can use this just to help with citing different things. So, yeah, then you can of course go back to the abstract and details. This is all the references, so you can go through the references if you need to. And that's about it. I hope this helped. Thank you all.